In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is my ClickBank account nickname. By the end, you'll know exactly what it is, where to see it in your account, and how to recognize it so you can use it confidently in your ClickBank activities. Your ClickBank account nickname is the unique identifier tied to your ClickBank account. It appears in your reports, links, and transactions, and it's how ClickBank associates activity with your account. Think of it as your short, system-wide ID. It's not your email address, not your personal name, and not a password. If you work with promotions, reporting, or marketplace listings, this is the name you'll often reference. To view it, start by heading to your ClickBank dashboard. This is the main overview page where you can see high-level data about your activity. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Accounts. Go ahead and click on Accounts. This takes you to the page that lists the accounts associated with your login, and this is exactly where your account nickname is shown. On the Accounts page, you'll see each account displayed in a simple list. The nickname is the primary identifier you'll notice for each entry. If you have only one account, you'll see a single nickname listed. If you manage more than one, you'll see multiple nicknames in that list, each corresponding to a separate account. This is helpful if you keep different nicknames for different lines of business or roles, such as selling products versus promoting as an affiliate. A quick tip for clarity. The nickname is typically short and alphanumeric, and it's the value you reference in links, tracking, and internal ClickBank records. It's different from any profile or display name you might see elsewhere in your settings. When you're reading documentation or setting up integrations that ask for your ClickBank account nickname, they are referring to the exact value you see here on the Accounts page. If the page looks busy, focus on the leftmost or primary column for the nickname label. That's the identifier you need. Make a note of it for your records so you can enter it consistently wherever ClickBank requests it. While the nickname itself isn't a secret like a password, always keep your login credentials and other sensitive details private and secure. That's it. Your ClickBank account nickname lives right in the Accounts section of your dashboard. Easy to find whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly locate and understand your ClickBank account nickname.